Today we are going to read and take notes on Lesson 2 of Unit 8, Sound Waves. If you go into Cami and scroll down, Unit 2, or Lesson 2 should begin on page 18. So you have to scroll all the way past the lab and go to page 18. Starts with changing pitch. Remember to click on the highlighter or the markup with the text highlighter. And we want to use any color we want. I'm going to use yellow because it's a video and it should show up. Changing pitch, the loneliest whale. Marianne Dare has received many emails from people interested in one specific whale in the North Pacific Ocean. This whale may be a blue whale. No one knows for sure. No one even knows if they've seen it, but many people have heard it. The whale has become known as the loneliest whale in the world. Marianne doesn't call the whale lonely. Other scientists don't either. They don't even know if whales get lonely, but non-scientists have called the whale lonely. A singer from Michigan wrote a children's song about this whale. An artist in upstate New York made a sculpture of this whale. How whales communicate. Why do so many people call this whale lonely? It has to do with how this whale communicates compared to other blue whales. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. They are also the loudest animals on the planet. They communicate with other whales that are sometimes thousands of miles away. They make low grunts, moans, and clicks. Sound is a useful way to communicate in the ocean. Sound travels about 4 times faster in the water than it does in air. This is because the molecules in a liquid are closer together than in a gas. As a result, the molecules collide with one another more quickly in a liquid than in a gas because they don't have to move as far to come in contact with one another. Sound frequencies. If you were to stick your head underwater in the middle of the ocean, you likely wouldn't be able to hear the sounds of blue whales. This is because these sounds are at much lower frequencies than people can hear. Frequency is the number of waves that pass a set point in a given amount of time. It is measured in Hertz. Frequency is closely related to pitch, which describes how high or low a sound seems. A wave with a higher frequency has a higher pitch than a wave with a lower frequency. Don't forget to draw a star near these diagrams because they're important. Most blue whales vocalize in the range of 15 to 25 hertz. These sounds are so low that they are almost completely undetectable by human ears. Vocal cords. Humans can hear sounds at frequencies from about 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Human speech is 1,000 hertz to 5,000 hertz. The average human male speaking voice has a range between 85 and 155 hertz. The range for a woman is about 164 to 255 hertz. For a child, it's about 250 to 400 hertz. Baby cries are about 500 hertz. The structure of our vocal cords explains why men generally have lower pitched voices than women. Vocal cords are folded membranes that vibrate, producing sounds. Adult men have longer and thicker folds than adult women. Both of these factors produce lower pitched sounds. Children have much shorter vocal cords than adults have. In addition to length and width, tension also affects a sound's pitch. Tension refers to how tightly something is stretched. An object with more tension produces a higher frequency sound than an object with less tension. 52 hertz. In 1989, a scientist working with Marianne picked up an unusual signal. It was of a whale traveling in the same area at the same time as blue whales. But this whale made higher frequency sounds than most of the whales. It was communicating at a frequency of 52 hertz. The whale has become known as 52 hertz. Over the years, the whale's voice has deepened. The whale is now communicating at a frequency closer to 46 hertz. This is similar to how people's voices deepen as they age and grow. When non-scientists heard about this whale's frequency, they thought it meant that the whale couldn't communicate with other whales. This is how the whale became known as the loneliest whale. But scientists say other whales can still hear this whale. It's just different from other whales. Take a minute, make sure you've highlighted everything that's been highlighted here, and then move on.